Why is it so easy to binge watch 10 episodes in a row, but so hard to finish one assignment? Why do some people wake up at 5 a.m. to run, while others hit snooze 7 times? Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's psychology series, we're talking about motivation and goal setting, what drives human action, and how we actually achieve things. What is motivation? Motivation is basically the force that pushes us to act. Psychologists often break it into 2 types. Intrinsic motivation, doing something because you enjoy it, like playing guitar just for fun. Extrinsic motivation, doing something for a reward or to avoid punishment, like studying just to get good grades or to avoid a parent's lecture. Theories of motivation. One of the most famous ideas is Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Imagine a pyramid. At the bottom are basic needs like food, water, and sleep. Then comes safety, love, and belonging. At the very top is self-actualization, reaching your full potential. In simple terms, you're not worried about writing a novel if you're still worried about where your next meal is coming from. Goal setting, the psychology behind it. Now, motivation connects directly to goal setting. Goals give direction, like a GPS for your actions. Psychologists suggest using SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Example, instead of saying, "I want to get fit," a SMART goal would be, "I'll jog for 20 minutes 5 times a week for the next month." Much clearer, right? Relatable example. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. You don't just say, "I want to win." You break it down. Beat level 1, then 2, then 3. Each small win keeps you motivated to go further. Life goals work the same way. Why it matters. Motivation and goal setting affect everything, from education to careers, from relationships to health. Understanding what drives you helps you stay consistent, avoid procrastination, and actually achieve the things you dream about. So here's the takeaway. Motivation is the energy, and goals are the roadmap. When you put the 2 together, you stop just wishing and start achieving. In the next episode, we'll explore emotion and emotional regulation, understanding feelings and managing them. Check the playlist link in the description. Hit subscribe if you haven't, and let's keep moving forward, one goal at a time.